Hello! So, prepare tayo ng food for today. So, for the day is squash. So, we will slice this one into cubes. So, same like this. Okay? So, after that one, we will boil this one. So, ganyan. So, pag naluto na yan, so we'll put in the jar so that we can blend it. We'll put a little bit of rice. Same last time. Para mas maganda. Tapos, i-blend na natin ng mabuti. Walang buo-buo. After that one, direct to the bowl sa ni Krill. Para makakain na si Krill. So, yeah. Squash yan. So, gusto yan ni Krill. Yung mga carrots, mga squash, mga broccoli. Yan, gusto-gusto si potato yan. Gusto-gusto niya yan. So, yun. Yun lang. So, yan, ubos na naman. Thank you for watching.